Operating instructions for aluminum Durand window CNC corner code saw. Pre-startup preparation. After positioning the equipment, first install the materials support rack, then proceed to level the entire machine. Adjust the leveling feet at the base and use a spirit level to calibrate, ensuring the equipment meets the specified installation level accuracy. After connecting the air supply, lift the adjustment knob on the air source processing unit upward, then rotate it clockwise to precisely regulate the system air pressure to the working range 0.6 to 0.8 megapascals. After adjustment, press and lock the knob to secure the output pressure. Fill the automatic lubrication pump with dedicated lubricating oil. Fill the water tank with dedicated cutting fluid. Connect the three phase lines L1, L2, L3, one neutral line N, and one protective earth line P from the power supply to the corresponding designated terminals in the electrical cabinet, and ensure all connections are secure. Turn on the main power switch and observe the phase sequence protector indicator or display panel. If is displayed, it indicates the power phase sequence is correct, and subsequent operations may proceed. Spray size is adjusted by independently regulating the airflow and oil supply. Rotating the air pressure regulating valve controls the atomizing gas flow rate, while rotating the oil flow regulating valve adjusts the output of the spraying medium. Coordinated adjustment of both allows precise control over the spray's atomization fineness, coverage, and discharge rate. Pre-startup preparation. Power on the equipment. After the system finishes booting, the human-machine interface HMI will appear. On the initial display screen, it is mandatory to select the operation language, as this is a prerequisite for accessing functionalities. Once the language setting is accepted by the system, you can officially log into the operating system and enter the normal working interface. In the manual adjustment interface, the operation language can be reselected. Individual actions can be executed separately for precise calibration or troubleshooting. After entering the corner code machining main interface, proceed with continuous sawing of profiles of a single length. Select feeding mode. Choose between the continuous and reciprocating feeding modes according to requirements. Configure cutting mode. You may select the standard normal cutting process or enable the remnant cutting function to optimize material utilization. Set process preference. Finally, choose between the efficiency mode, which emphasizes processing speed, and the quality mode, which prioritizes cut precision. To match the current task requirements, enter the required cutting length and quantity in the corresponding input fields, in order. Before starting any automatic machining cycle, it is mandatory to perform the reference return operation to initialize the machine coordinate system and prevent positional errors. Place the profile into position. Then press the Start button on the touchscreen or the physical Start button on the operation panel. The equipment will then automatically complete all cutting tasks in sequence. Multifunction interface. In this interface, you can pre-program a complete machining queue, sequentially enter multiple different cutting lengths and their corresponding quantities. The system will store these tasks in order. Simultaneously, you can select the feeding mode continuous, reciprocating and working mode efficiency, quality for the entire queue or for individual tasks. After all parameters are set and it is confirmed that the equipment has performed the reference return, place the profile into position and press the Start button on the touchscreen or the physical Start button on the operation panel. The equipment will then automatically complete all cutting tasks in sequence.